Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine in your homes. Yes, I am also good. Okay, now let's start our study. Okay, now today in our English class we will learn about three-letter phonetic words, sounds of A. Now see, look at the board. We will read three-letter words. How can we read three-letter words? First, we say the sound of letters. What is the sound of C? The sound of C is K. What is the sound of A? The sound of A is A. And what is the sound of T? The sound of T is T. So we can read K, A, T. Cat. K, A, T. Cat. K, A, T. Cat. The second word is, this is the sound of H is H, and the sound of E is A. The sound of N is N. So how can we read this word? H, A, N. H, A, N. Hen. H, A, N. Hen. Now the third word is, what is the sound of Z? Z. And the sound of I is E. The sound of P is P. So how can we read? Z, I, P, zip. How can we read this word? Z, I, P, zip. Z, I, P, zip. Okay. Now see the fourth word. What is the sound of D? The sound of D is D. And the sound of O is O. And the sound of G is G. So how can we read this word? D, O, G. Dog. D, O, G. Dog. Repeat after me. D, O, G. Dog. Now read this word. What is the sound of J? J. The sound of U is A. And the sound of G is G. So how can we read this word? J, A, G. Jug. Repeat after me. J, A, G. Jug. Okay. Now say, starting from this letter, K, A, T. Cat. K, A, T. Cat. H, A, N. Hen. H, A, N. Hen. Z, I, P. Zip. Z, I, P. Zip. D, O, G. dog, d o g, dog, j a g, jug, j a g, jug. Okay. See in this book. Here are more words of sounds of A. B, a, t, bat. H, a, t, hat. B, a, l, ball. R, a, t, rat. B, a, g, bag. K, a, n, can. K, a, t, cat. M, a, t, mat. Here are more words. Read more words to learn. Okay. You have to read all the words like this. K, a, n, can. B, a, d, bad. K, a, p, cap. B, a, t, bat. B, a, r, bar. In second line, m, a, n, man. D, a, d, dad. G, a, p, gap. F, a, t, fat. K, a, r, car. So you have to read these words, all the words. You practice in your home. Okay. See this picture? Bake, cake. We will read this word. B, a, k, a. Bake, k, a, k, a. Cake. So we will read this. Bake, cake. See here? This is rat. Yes. F, a, t, fat. R, a, t, rat. Fat, rat. How can we read this? Fat, rat. Now see here. Here is a van and a man. Okay. Now we will see this. M, a, n, man. V, a, n, van. Man, van. Man, van. Okay. See this picture? This is k, a, n, can. This is can. P, a, n, pan. This is pan. Can, pan. Okay. Children, look this exercise. Look at the pictures and fill in the correct letter in the blank. Here are some missing letter. You have to write missing letter here. See the pictures. This is bat. This is jam, mat, fan, car, star. Okay. Which letter is missing here? A. Okay. I am writing these words on the board. See here. B, A. We have to write A. B, A, T. This is jam, j. Which letter we will write here? A. J, a, m. Jam. Third picture is mat, m and a, t. Mat. This is mat. See this? F, a, n. Fan. We will write here A. Read this. F, a, n. Fan. See this picture? What is this? This is a car. So we have to write here. Which letter is missing? Yes, A. Read this word. Ka, a, r. Car. Car. This is car. Now see this picture. This is a star. So, t. Which letter is missing? Yes, A. We will write this. Sorry, we will read this word. S, t, a, r. Star. This is star. Okay. Repeat after me. Say again these words. B, a, t. Bat. Bat. J, a, m. Jam. Jam. M, a, t. Mat. Mat. F, a, n. Fan. Fan. K, a, r. Car. This is car. S, t, a, r. Star. This is star. So children, practice to read all these words. Third line, fourth line and in the fifth line. Practice to read all the words. Sounds of A. Practice to read these words. Okay. Now we will end our English class. So see you again in the next class. See you in okay. Bye bye.